welcome back. So Margaret and I are just about done with our floral wreaths. Now we're going to demonstrate to you how to make a bow, just in case you would like to add a bow to the bottom. And I've made just a simple bow out of some burlap ribbon and a pipe cleaner. And in order to make the bow, I simply looped it several times. You can see these loops here. And then I put the pipe cleaner in the middle, and then I cinched it in the back, and then I fluffed one loop, the middle loop, so that it covers the pipe cleaner that I used. And so to offer a more in-depth demonstration, I'm going to turn it over to Margaret.
Thanks, Mia. Okay, so I want the, I guess the tail of the ribbon. I measured it out with my ruler, so it's about 12 inches. And I want my bow loops about 5 inches. So I'm just taking my little ruler and looking at 5 inches. The 5 inches is about right there. So I'm just putting it down. And of course, it's not gonna, my bows aren't just completely perfect. What I do is I lay out the first one, and then you're going to flip it around and twist it. And it's always best, I like having ribbon or using ribbon that's two-sided, you know, on the same side. It's more challenging working with ribbon that, you know, is printed on one side and not the other.
Okay.
So all you do is go back to the middle. I'm gonna twist it around, create that loop, and then go again. And I'm going to make about probably at least 4 on each side. So it can be a nice puffy ribbon. I'm just gonna twist it in. And like Mia, I have a Chanel stem at the very bottom of my ribbon. So when I get ready, I'm just gonna tie it off and I'll be ready to go.
Okay, it's beautiful. Already, I can tell that it's going to be beautiful.
And I'm using black and white since I'm putting it in the kitchen. And I have other decorations that are black and white. And I have a wreath behind me on this door out to the courtyard. I have a wreath behind me, and it has black and white. And so this is going to go on the door, so it'll tie the black and white ribbon in together.
So it'll be the perfect accent to what you already have.
Okay, so I was talking, I lost count. So I actually made 5 loops.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to bring this down and cut it off to the same length. I'm a lefty, so you guys can't see what I'm doing. But I just cut the ribbon at an angle. That, and then I'm just going to fluff it out like Mia just talked about, fluffing it out, and put it on my bow.
Okay, that's beautiful.
Put the bow on the wreath, and then it'll be all done. You know what? Let me just, where was I gonna put it? Oh, there's my empty spot. Put it on. I'm just twisting it around the back.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna fluff up the bow, fluff it out. That's one good thing about always using wired ribbon.
Mm-hmm.
You fluff it out and it stays.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Let me see if I can make a screenshot of it. It's been a while since I've made a screenshot. I don't remember what the command is.
And I'm on my cell phone, so I can't.
Let me take a picture of it with my phone.
Look, my flowers are still falling off. There's another one.
No.
I'm gonna have to hot glue. Am I too close?
I don't think so. I think that's, and I'm going to show mine, and then you can get a picture of me with mine. I don't know if you know how to do a screenshot.
Yes.
Okay, you can make a screenshot of us.
Hold on.
Yeah, I can speed it up.
Oh, that's not gonna.
Let me see. I can take it with my phone with both of us.
Oh yeah, because I'm using my phone, so.
Oh, you are? Okay. Let's see.
Yeah, I didn't pull my laptop out. I just used my phone and put it on a tripod.
Okay. That's what I was doing at first, but it wouldn't let me record us side by side.
I think they came out really nice, Mia.
Yeah, they do. They look beautiful. I love them. And we can also get a picture of them on our door and we can put it side by side.
And I'm just gonna fluff out, spend some time fluffing out my flowers.
Okay.
A lot of them are close together. And I don't know, I like it by itself.
So you might not need the centerpiece.
Yeah.
It's beautiful both ways. Mm-hmm.
So I may decide to put that on the inside or not.
Well, if you put that on the inside, then we'll have Twinkie doors. We'll have matching
There you
doors
go. There you go.
in Houston and Hewitt. So that concludes our tutorial on how to make a sunflower wreath. We hope that you guys are able to make one that's similar and design it to your satisfaction. This was a very fun tutorial. Thank you for joining us today, and we will see you all next time on Cooking, Crafting, and Gardening with Margaret Mia. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh.